Hey guys, we're doing teams now for the mixed break for tonight. It's 7:08 and 5 seconds PM Melbourne time. Challenge. Idiot. My bad. It's just random live. Participants were going 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Whew. Teams now. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's have a look at the teams. Play. Let's have a look at the teams. Dale Edmonds and Nuggets, Leo with Heat, Adam Amy Sixers, Raymond Dye with Mavericks, Aiden with Bulls, Nick Ashton Grizz, Tahi Knicks, Dale Rockets, Rona Gorman Cavs, Patrick Kane Thunder, Glenbow Wizards, Jared Broadbent Pistons, Dean Milos Raptors, Charles Celtics, Dale Pacers, Tahi Warriors, Andrew Hunt Wolves, Matty Jazz, Michael Paul Pelicans, Nick Ashton Spurs, Lakers, Glenbow Clippers, Dale Hawks, Andrew Hunt Nets, Shane Overend Bucks, Nick Powell Suns, Chris Stewart Magic, Josh Hinge Kings, Jared Broadbent Hornets, and Lee Johnson Blazers. That's it.